industry, what is very important that the production line have to work 24 hours every day. But we are supporting the people who is maintain these devices, how to read the information, how to read the manuals, and all the information could be on the spot when the people the information need. This is very important. Just the scan QR code or NFC and take the information from the cloud, because it's very important to have the information on the right time and the right information. And also the feedback. It means we are closing the cycle not only to bring the information from the cloud, also to write the information, because when I maintain something, it's very important to write some feedback into the cloud.